Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I'm in Utah. I'm actually out at the Xactware building in Lehi as part of my X28 certified training program. And I thought, what better place to shoot a week's of X28 videos than the Xactware building itself? I have X1 loaded onto my computer as part of this training program, and so I'm going to shoot this Hotkey highlight as my first X1 video. As you can see here, I have an X1 estimate open. I'm in my estimate tab here on the left side. I'm in my sketch tab up here, and I have a room already in here. Now today's hotkey highlight is about Shift plus V, which is saving a view in 3D. So let's say you've done a great job with your sketch, or you've ordered a TrueSketch Plus from Matterport, for example, and you want to put a picture at the end of your estimate of that 3D property that gives a visual of the whole thing. So first things first, I'm going to hit 3, so I can go into 3D mode. And then I'm going to line it up here, and I'm going to hit Shift plus V at the same time. So it's going to ask me to name it. And I'm going to say Box It 2 because I did one already before in preparations for this video. So I'm going to hit OK. And nothing happens. And that's how it should happen. So I'm going to go back to Plan View, and then I'm going to come over here to the left side to Documents. And under Documents, you're going to find Reports. And in Reports, it's going to bring my Reports tab, and it's going to start here. I've gone to my rough draft, that's Actionable Insights preferred report, and I'm going to come over here to Sketch. And you'll see here on the right side is Views, and I'm going to add Box It 2. That was the one we just saved. So that if I were to go down here now to View and click View, it'll generate my estimate for me. I've checked all of it, but even though I've had no line items or anything. And when this generates, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my estimate, and you're going to be able to see this 3D view that I saved with the hotkeys Shift plus V. Now, one of the nice things between X1 and X28 is that a lot of the hotkeys are the same. In fact, they've updated it with this new pad that has all the hotkeys, and it has some image to scope geometry hotkeys on it, which is really exciting, so I'm looking forward to shooting some of those. But let's come down here, and when we scroll through, I'm just going to jump to the bottom here. You'll see this is Box It 2. This was the 3D view I just saved as a visual of the property itself in 3D at the end of my estimate. This has been another hotkey highlight showing you how to save a 3D view and put it in your estimate. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.